DJM TV.
Okay, some people have been calling me for the past few days now, asking me to ask my friend Wike to halt the killing of Igbo in Oyingbo, River State. This early morning, someone woke me up, one Chupuma Egemba, who lives in London, Dr. Egemba. I'll tell you about him later, asking me to request Wike to stop the killing of Igbo in River State. There's something I want to let you know here. Sometime in 2001, 2002, or even 3, the use of OD killed some soldiers in OD. And Obasanjo sent the military. They wiped OD out. The military wiped OD out. They killed so many people in OD, burnt OD down, burnt the entire town down. The president of IYC then, a Joy Youth Council, Felix Teodoro, invited me to OD. I went to OD as my sub-leader and saw the devastation there. I cried. I wept bitterly. The entire place was devastated. Many people were killed. At the same time, the people of Zakibiam killed some soldiers. Obasanjo also sent soldiers. Zakibiam was brought down. Zakibiam was brought down. Irrespective of the fact that so many generals were from that place, Zakibiam was brought down. So many people were killed. So calling what is happening in River State Igbo nonsense, Igbo this, Igbo is rubbish. Yes, Wike is not killing any Igbo man. It's not an Igbo thing. Yes, Wike has no capacity to command the army to kill anybody in River State. He's the chief commander-in-chief, Buhari, that does that, like Obasanjo did. It's not within the powers of just Wike to stop the army from killing those who killed their own. Yes, Wike didn't order the army in OD to kill anybody. Neither did he do it in Zakibiam. So these people who go apart on the internet talking rubbish. Yes, Wike is killing Igbo. Yes, Wike is doing this. Please don't speak for us. The army are killing those who kill their own. The army are killing those who kill their own. This thing has nothing to do with NSAS. NSAS were doing their thing until the government or hoodlums, whatever, went to toll gate and killed some people. Then someone in London started that minute to say, kill army, kill police, burn houses, do this. Tracing that the Yorubas wanted to coin it to Igbo destruction of Lagos State. Then his supporters in Oyingbo started killing because he gave them the instruction. It was on tape. Say, kill army, kill police, burn everywhere, burn Tinubu's house. It was on tape. Prevention is better than cure. All these people who are talking, you should prevent. When somebody is talking, everybody is worried. This thing you are saying will bring cataclysm. It will bring destruction. That is it now. Then you are bringing the issue of Wike there. Wike is an Igbo man. Leave about all these sentiments. We all knew what happened in River State right after the war. When Oyingbo, Umokoro, was changed to Rumokoro. Umola was changed to Rumola. Oyingbo. Opibo was changed to Oyingbo. It wasn't Wike that changed them. It wasn't Wike that changed these things. It's not somebody from London writing on radio that will change them back to their normal forms now. You cannot come to Oyingbo now and say, it's Opibo, it must from today be named as Opibo. As who? Who are you? You are trying to redefine the history of a people. Even if such a thing should take place, it's not you. You are bringing problems unnecessarily. So, and they put some people on oath. Whatever you say they must do. You ask them to kill army, kill police, kill security agents, not knowing the consequences. I told you I went to myself, was conducted by the president of Igbo Youth Council. I saw what happened. I'm even happy that Wike and the security men in River State are conducting themselves professionally. Otherwise, they would have even destroyed Oyingbo. The world was destroyed. So all these people bringing in Igbo people here, and Wike is killing Igbos. You are not speaking for us. If you look at all the prominent sons and daughters of Igbo land. Are they speaking? Nobody is speaking because nobody is happy with what is happening. We have one riffraff called Nnamdi Kanu will come and start commanding the youth to burn and kill. Has the Ohanese said anything? He even said that the leader of Ohanese should be executed by throwing stones and all that. So some even who are not Igbos are coming to tell us why is it that every time Igbos are killed. Did we tell you that Igbos are killed in rivers? We never asked anybody. We never asked anybody to cry for us. Those who are killed in Oyingbo are those who killed Nigerian army. Nigerian army know those who killed them. They should go after them. About 4 days ago, my men were coming to resume duties in Owerri from Anambra State. They were in their uniform. The army accosted them in Owerri, near Owerri. Very close to Owerri. They said they were Masop security men. They carried them to Obize. I wanted to speak to the guys, they refused. After some time, early in the morning, they stormed my place to verify if actually they were my men. I said they were my men. We are not IPOB. They said, okay, they will release them since they have been here to verify that they are not IPOB people. Since today, my men are being kept because of Nnamdi Kanu. My men used to come from anywhere in the southeast with such clothes. Nobody disturbed them. But now, because of Nnamdi Kanu, so everybody is suffering this. So what people should concentrate on is prevention to stop the happening of it. And not when it happens, you begin to apportion blames. Wike is killing and Igbo. Go and kill a soldier and know whether the army will come after you or not. It's not a Wike. Please don't incite anything. Don't speak for Igbo. That Wike is killing Igbo. Wike is not killing anybody. It's not killing Igbo. The army are killing those who kill their own. Wike, I spoke against him last time when he burned or destroyed the hotel. I was angry because we are all pleading to our people that instead of building their hotels or mansions in the north or anywhere else, come to the east here and build it. Or come to the south here and build it. And if the guy has come to build his hotel in Rivers and Wike came to destroy the hotel, we shall speak against it. because we are encouraging people to come home and build. We shall not be the people destroying what our people brought home. If the guy had contravened the COVID-19 regulations, we could confiscate the hotel, make it government building. It will benefit the people of River State than destroying it. That was my position that time. I criticized Wike. But for this one now, Wike is even not doing much. Because, I mean, are we going to live in a state of anarchy where somebody, a nobody, in somewhere will dictate, tell some people who to kill, then place 100 million baht on a sitting governor? Ah, come on, look at it. The other day was saying that he was going to Abuja to cut off the head of Buhari and bring to Igbo land. Now it is whoever cuts off or kills Wike should take 100 million. Is that what we shall have? So if anybody talks as high as that, Wike or the president, somebody, riffraff somewhere, we ask urchins to go and kill the person. It has to stop now. Somebody has to stop it. And of course, I have told the Southeast governors to follow the steps of Wike to reinforce the classification of IPOB as a terrorist organization and ban them, because it doesn't go that way. Things are not done that way. So by coloring it Wike is killing the Igbo, it doesn't solve the problem. It doesn't solve the problem. Let me go back to what I wanted to say about Egemba. Egemba has a degree, I think economics or political science. He was one of the people that welcomed me to England when I went to open Radio Biafra. There were 4. Egemba had PhD. One Tabo from Anambra State had 2 master's degrees, and one Wada Manachi had a degree in economics. It was only Nnamdi Kanu that had no degree among the 4 of them. As a matter of fact, he was rusticated from the University of Nsukka as a geography student on court-related issues. Then he went to England without transcript, without documents, so he couldn't get admission there. All these things they told me when I went there. But I said, I came here on the information that I should appoint him as a Radio Biafra, Director of Radio Biafra London. Should I come now and start appointing all these people who have more qualifications? So it's not, what will I tell my members when I reach back? I appointed him as the director, notwithstanding his deficiency in academic qualifications. So I felt within me that I did the wrong thing, but I had to take the decision because of what was on ground. So anytime Egemba calls me, I felt I didn't treat him fairly. So this morning, when he was calling me, asking me to beg my friend to stop the Canada, I remembered what I did to him. He was the person I would have appointed as the director of Radio Biafra London, having PhD. I never did that. I didn't even appoint somebody having masters, 2 degrees. I didn't appoint somebody having 1st degree. I appointed somebody who didn't have a single paper, who was rusticated in the university. Today, see the problem. So I'm part of that problem. I've apologized, but each time I remember this scenario, I feel so bad. That is the angle we shall be looking at, how to stop it, and not how to apportion blames, medicine after death. It doesn't solve anything. So anybody trying to connive or change the narrative of what is happening in Lagos, River State, please stop it. Igbo are not asking you to speak for them. What is happening in River State is what's supposed to happen to stop all this nonsense happening here. No leader support the killing of his people. If you are a leader and you support the killing of your people, you are a fake leader. Because if your supporters die, who will inherit the kingdom you are fighting for, the Biafra? Look at this place. This is the second time I'm speaking in this place, the Homeland University. We are building it. The Bimaso family are building it. For our members, for the downtrodden, for those who can't get admission, for the sons and daughters of the poor whose children are so intelligent, so brilliant, but when they pass JAMB, the big people will go there, the rich people will go there and buy their spaces. Every year they will be taking JAMB, but nobody gives them admission. These are the people we are building this place for. For our own children and children's children. For our own members. For the benefit of our members. Because we pay dues if the money comes. If you are not misusing the dues people pay, there must be a way of paying them back. A way of making sure that this thing goes back to them. And that's what we are doing. I'm not telling people to go and kill army. If you tell people to go and kill army, you know the consequences in Nigeria. If not any other place, that place will be brought down. So that's the consequences. What I'm trying to say, Ndi Igbo should stop Nnamdi Kanu from what he's doing. If they don't stop him from what he's doing, the worst is yet to come. Thank you.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.